It's February 1. Last night, Auntie Aima suggested that why not we fly with our mom on the same night. My mom will be flying from California on Monday. She'll arrive Monday 6 p.m. Philippine time, and she will have her connecting flight going to Cebu on the same night. It's 8 p.m. So that's a good idea. Like I want to surprise our mom, and I want to surprise our kids and be the one who will fly first 10 minutes, and we are not on the same airline, but we are on the same terminal, so we can surprise our mommy. Very good, thank you, Lord. So we are here now in Terminal 2 Naiya. We've been here since 2 p.m. and Doni is eating siupaw. Wow, very yummy. And our mom will arrive around 6:40. It's still I think 5:40, so we have 1 more hour. Green nga tiles, dear. Na siya red gamay, dear. Oh, dear. Ala, grabe. Ready, 7:12, and mommy's airplane has not yet arrived. They're still somewhere over there, and our boarding sa flight namin it's 8:15, so hopefully she will arrive before the time. The wrong flight behind, so mommy already arrived since 7. So we're going to Pound. Huh? Check on mommy. Mangita tang mommy. Where's mother? Mommy's flight is PR2863. Sa original nga ticket, it says 850. But it says here, we're gonna move siya to 9:30. Oh, asa naman ka? Asa ka dapat sa Terminal 2? Terminal 1? Ah, wala. Asa na pa ka sa nigawas na ka sa aeroplano? Nagpupo pa siya. Alay, kadugay ni mami. Mag-board na mi. Na-delay pa dyan yung flight at change to 9:30 instead of 8:50. Asa pa magkalikan?
Ito ng charging station dito malapit. Kanya na. Dugay kayo. Oh, sorry.
Nagchika.
Sige.
Once again,
Oh, muli na may mami.
passengers needing special
Huh?
assistance, seniors, any cardholders in the Maputo miles, you may board a train with the May we request
Sige, makulit na sa Cebu.
kindly present any valid ID with your boarding pass for inspection. Once again, we are not yet boarding. Meanwhile, kindly remain seated in the free departure area gate number 8 and wait for your boarding call. On behalf of Philippine Airlines, we thank you for flying with us.
Ari, may Air Asia, may alam.
Thank you and mabuhay.
Napadong na ikaw dali. Taray, kana mga tang sakyan.
Timing, gihuwag juga mami. Ang gaya ni mo. Ano gagito? Nakuan pa sa kumpat.
Package, customs.
Yan na kayo bayaran. Oh no! Kana iPhone na, mahadto yun as main kamot. Ang taga. Mami, hurry up! Ikaw na lang ikaw na lang ang first. Oo. Timing. Sige na. Unahon ka kay magbas mo kay walay tube.
Online ko lang may hatag.
Very chaotic. Sakay na din kami.
Masakay na rin sila, Nay.
Mami,
Masakay na rin.
do not tell Tyron ha. Mami, do not tell them yet. Mag-abot ka dito. Uy! Boarding din. Timing lang talaga.
Ito nga ka naman sigurado yung mga ko. ENF, Echo and Foxtrot. 2 Echo Foxtrot.
Sakto. That is good. That's Mommy's plane going to Cebu and we're on the other side.
Oh.
Dear guests, we have just spotted
Ahead of maybe a few minutes, so we're gonna gawas together. Uy, narito. Ay. Kita mo di awahin mo, pamunitan na lang mo. Mukha na siyang last
Mo tanan bag nyo. Rep.
Ngungat mo kang mami.
Kaya ang snow.
Ang snow. Dok. Uy, wala man sila. Where are they? Where are they?
Keg twist guys. Grabe how twist. Hello. Hello, you kiss the lami. You kiss the lami. Wow. Ate Victoria, I have a surprise for you. Who's there?
Shh. Shh. Ay, asma. Naglipog.
You bless uncle. Oh, you stay away. Stay away.
Ay, kiss na yun. Shy na lagi. Happy? You're surprised? Huh? You're surprised? You thought there's no mommy?
I thought you were. I thought you were.
Are you happy to see your mommy?
Ah.
Hoy. Grabe, hay. Grabe kay mga twist ba. Taga ko nga. Dapat muli sila IDC kay pwede rin sa mabalik anytime sa Manila. Bila ra ko nang gon. Nagsakyan na diha? Okay. Asa man mo tulo ta? Makalakaw ka? Ayo lang, ipatod lang ka dito. Ako ano mo sakyanan nimo?
Oh, kung saan ako dito?
Sige.
Sige ka idea tay? Pa Jod. Ko na babay ko kay gutom na kay ko. Han, nakakabaw ka wa kay idea? Ha? Si Mami, wasa ka ba mi, di ba? Namuli mi?
Kasi na una niyo gabot.
Kami.
Unsa rasa?
Karon? Bago rin mi nag mga 2 minutes, 5 minutes sa minaon nagabot. So, we're just arrived. We are not.
We're back home with my mom.